Hi everyone, it's Orlua from TradewithBolu online services here again to share with you ideas and opportunities that could be taken advantage of as regards the synthetic indices market, also known as Deriv. And I'm going to be taking us on some pairs: VIX 25, VIX 75 winners, VIX 50, and VIX 25 winners. So we're going to be looking at these four indices, but before we go straight on, I'm also going to reiterating that the risk warning subsists, and if you're going to be trading leverage products such as forex and derivatives, it may not be suitable for all investors as they carry a high degree of risk to your capital. So please ensure that you fully understand the risks involved, taking into account your investment objectives and level of experience, and if necessary, seek independent advice. So I would advise you go through the full details of the risk warning as you proceed in this video. So yes, back to the market. This is VIX. This is the daily chart. This is the daily time frame on the VIX 25 index chart. Yeah, so we can actually see that we are kind of in a range. We have a support here, so we have a resistance rather, and then we have kind of a strong support. Mind you, this is the daily time frame. So we see the first touch here, we see the second touch here, and we see what it reacted to. It reacted to this particular zone. This break of market structure, came back, we tested it, and went back. It's coming back again actually, because we can see it's actually in a downtrend. So it's going back to test that support level. So let's so I think definitely that's going to give us an idea that we are going to be looking forward to buying opportunities on the VIX 25 index. So let's take a look at what H4 is actually showing us. So this is the H4. Yes, like I said earlier, it retested this particular resistance zone, and then came back to retest the support level. So let's see how it goes. Like I said earlier, we're going to be expecting buys for the week. So this is, let's go to the H1 time frame, the 1 hour time frame. So yes, let's be expecting a break in market structure somewhere around here. A break in market structure somewhere around here, and here, that is forming two low higher lows, and then we can actually confirm that the market is in an uptrend. So we wait for a break of market structure here, and here, and here. So we move in and we take opportunities of buying this particular index. Our take profit should be somewhere around this support level, also being the last swing. So I think definitely that's really going to work out for VIX 25 index. So let's move to the next. That is VIX 75 1S. Like I've always stated, this market has always been in a downtrend. So let's take a look at what's really going on. It's in a downtrend, kind of breakout, and it came back, broke this particular structure. Let me try to highlight it. Broke this particular structure, and broke this particular structure, and here we go. It has actually broken a structure on the daily. So we are going to be taking into consideration this particular support level, sorry, this particular resistance level, let's go to the intro. Let's see, let's see what's really going on there. So yes, we have we can actually see that the strength of the buyers and the strength of the buyers is actually kind of going out, like it's getting weary. So we should be looking forward to selling this particular, taking advantage of selling opportunities in this particular index. So await a break of market structure, as I would always prefer on the H1. So to confirm a break of market structure here, I would love to actually confirm a break of market structure somewhere around here, and then enter at the retest of whatever the market gives us. So I think that's what we're looking at. That's what we really have for VIX 75 bonus. So we can trade it all the way to this particular order block here. This particular order block here. So yes, that's for VIX 75 bonus. We move on to VIX 50. On the daily, we actually had a massive sell, which has been going on for almost a week now. Almost a week. That was really massive. I actually congratulate those who took advantage of this opportunity. So yes, as we can see here, this is a heads and shoulder pattern, and we saw a break of market structure somewhere around here. Somewhere here. So a break of market structure somewhere here. And this is the last order block that broke it. So, and we actually have a strong, we have a support level around here. So hopefully we will be waiting for market to come to this support level and reverse, going to retest this particular order block around here. So that's for VIX 50. So we are still actually going to be taking advantage of selling opportunities. Let's see if we can. Let's check out VIX. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame. So you can see this was actually a clear downtrend, and this was actually massive. Congratulations again to those who took advantage of this. So we are still in a clear downtrend for VIX 50, and in the coming days, depending on how fast the market moves, we should expect the market to reverse once it gets to this support level. Expect a break of market structure, as I would always say, preferably on the 1 hour time frame, and then we can enter at the retest. So let's take a look at the last pair, which is VIX 25 1S. Yes, we can actually cite a channel here. This is the 4 hour time frame. Let's go to the daily. We can cite the channel here. You can see the first touch here. Let me try to highlight it. The first touch here. Yes, although this was kind of a week out of it. This is the bottom trend line, and this also. So yes, perfect. So this is the, let's go back to the H1 which we started with. So yes, we see it is approaching. It's actually approaching an order block, also at level of a trend line that has actually been tested. How many times now? 4 times. I know it was tested here, it was tested here rather, and it's reversed. It was tested here also, and it's reversed. and hopefully it will test this particular zone also, and it's going to reverse. But to always play safe, would advise you don't just rely on candlestick patterns, but also confirm the break of market structure, preferably on the 1 hour time frame, and then you can enter at the retest. So as you can see, currently it is giving us some reversal patterns, some reversal candlestick patterns. So let's be expecting to sell massively down to this area. I mean, we can always set our take profit to be somewhere around this support level, or this support level, depending on how long we can actually hold the trade. So I think that's what we have for this week. VIX 25, VIX 75 bonus, VIX 50, and VIX 25 bonus. From TradewithBolu here, we wish you peaceful and profitable trading week, and always remember to apply your risk management measures as you trade. Thank you so much for watching.